In this video, let me show you how to use the Experian app for credit monitoring. So if you're trying to check your credit score, if it has gone up or gone down, and want to monitor it, in this video, let me show you the way on how it is done. Now you'll need to first of all download the Experian app onto your device. Either you're using the Play Store or the App Store, and once the application has been downloaded, you'll need to verify your identity and configure the real-time alerts. So once you have downloaded the application, you'll need to submit your credentials such as your social security number, your residential address, as well as your date of birth. So once you add in your few information and once your identity is verified, you need to set up the app notification so that anytime your credit score goes up or goes down, you'll get a instant notification. So you'll be able to see a similar screen displaying, which will exactly display the credit score that you currently have. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to set up and use the Experian app for credit monitoring. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.